we're basically helping home sellers out there to be able to more easily and more conveniently sell their homes. My name is Gavin Wong, and I've been with Zillow for about 6 or 7 months now. And so I'm the Senior Applications Analyst here, basically managing the entire Zillow Offers Salesforce org.
So our old process used to be like, so everybody create the change set. Like we didn't have a deployment, like a release schedule or anything. It's like, oh, we finished this product, let's deploy it.
It was pretty rocky. Yeah, we used, for a while, we used a single sandbox for development. We used, I did a lot of code reviews in Notepad and, using random diff tools, and things were messy and very complicated. The big challenge we ran into is our org has gotten so large that our change set deployments were taking up to 9 to 12 hours a lot of times.
And we had deployment times up around like 8.5 hours, 9 hours. If it was really, really bad with a lot of code, it would be double digits. So that was really, really troublesome. Alignment with the other team members of deployments was always a huge problem, and you could pretty much only do 1 deployment a day. So it was very, very troublesome. So we were looking at ways to try to bring down that deployment time, and Gearset was one of the items that we implemented, and the impact of it was pretty awesome. So it brought it down, I think upon first implementing it, brought the average deployment time down to like an hour, I think it was. So it was a huge change, which was really nice. And now we can do multiple deployments a day, which is significantly easier on the team.
So with Gearset, it made it a lot easier because we linked it up to GitLab, and we were to track the changes and deployment history from the exact time of when we started it to when it was finished, all on the ticket. So that really helped a lot, just for tracking changes, and then also being able to roll back changes if we made any mistakes or anything. So that was very helpful.
From the admin perspective, I would say it's really flexible. Being able to select just what you need, and and mainly saving that time and not doing the post-deployment configuration.
Just being able to easily connect your org in Gearset and then just click a couple buttons to deploy the changes. I think that's what really stood out, and that's where I see the immediate value for it. Definitely improved our team's release management process a lot, and so Gearset makes it very easy to just make deployments, and especially when you have to deploy to multiple sandboxes, the time saved just drastically increases a lot, and so overall it's a huge time save, and really enjoy using it.
If your business is ready to grow and you don't want everybody configuring in production, it's time to move off of change sets, and Gearset is a good option.